So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a technical drawing in Fusion 360. We're going to start by assigning physical materials to each component of your design. Okay, this is different to appearances. So I'm going to apply oak onto these components here, which is the main unit back and front. And I'm just going to select plastic for my 3D printed parts. Okay, then I can close that. I'm then going to go into File, New Drawing from Design. I'm going to also make sure that this is saved, which it is already. Press OK. It'll take a little while to load. And it will open your technical drawing here. At this point, you can change your scale. See what that looks like. Let's look at it. Make sure we're looking at it also from the front view. So change the orientation up here until the right view comes. Let's go for a 1:1 scale and try that. Might be a little bit too large. So we'll go back to 1:2. Good. So we're just going to place that there and press OK. You can then use projected views and click to get each side view, the top view, sorry, the bottom view and the top view. And we're also going to want to have an isometric view as well, so we can put that just over there and press enter. It will then turn it into a line drawing. You can pick up and move these, so if you press the little grey square there, you can move it around, but I'm happy with the location there. Okay, let's now add a table. Put that up into the top corner. Double click here on description, and then we can untick it in that box because we don't need that. Perfect. You can see that the materials that we assigned earlier are all in place, so that's absolutely fine. If we wanted to go back to our model and change anything, so if we decided that instead we wanted to make this out of pine, we would go back into physical material, go all the way down to wood, and assign pine instead onto those components. It's then important at this stage to save it, go back into your model, and then up in the top here, which you might not be able to see in this video, there's a little keychain with a yellow triangle and an exclamation mark. If you click that, it will update your drawing, and notice here how it's just changed from oak to pine. Okay? Make sure that you're saving your project regularly as well. So we're just going to press save there. And these balloons have appeared up here, but I'm not going to want them in that view, so I can just delete them. Instead, I'm going to add balloons onto this view here. Okay, perfect. So we've now got almost a finished drawing, but it's important to add some dimensions. So you can go into dimensions or press D on your keyboard. And then we want to be taking some key dimensions. Details that are important to know, for example, are the width of the slot there and the depth of that section. Also the radius or the diameter of all the holes, because they're going to be important when we come to drill those. And there we have it. That's all the information that we need. You can also turn off some of the components if you want. So for example, if I wanted to remove the main front unit, then I can just do that, and then I can actually see the depth of those holes if you wanted a different view. Okay, so you've got the option. Good. So then take a screen print of that, or you can press the output to a PDF. And that's that.